Struggling with cluttered cabinets or running out of kitchen space way too fast? These genius Amazon kitchen storage solutions and organization hacks are here to help you maximize every corner and keep everything within reach. From smart organizers to space-saving upgrades, these ideas make your kitchen feel bigger without the hassle. All product links are in the description below. Keep your coffee pods neatly organized and within easy reach with this 40-capacity K-Cup Carousel. The 360-degree revolving base lets you grab any flavor effortlessly, while its compact design saves precious counter space. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek black finish, it's built to last and looks great next to any single-serve coffee maker. Simplify your mornings and enjoy a clutter-free coffee corner with this handy pod holder. Keep your kitchen counters and cabinets tidy with this two-piece adjustable bowl rack. Expandable to fit different plate and bowl sizes, it adapts perfectly to your storage needs. Drainage holes keep dishes dry and hygienic, while the detachable design makes it easy to store when not in use. Stylish, practical, and versatile, this rack is ideal for organizing plates, bowls, and platters while adding a modern touch to your kitchen. Tame your cookware chaos with this 8-tier adjustable pot and pan organizer. The anti-slip dividers keep everything secure, while the heavy-duty iron frame holds multiple pots, pans, lids, and baking sheets without warping or rusting. With 3 DIY assembly options, vertical or horizontal, it fits any cabinet space perfectly. Easy to install and adjust, this rack keeps your kitchen organized, countertops clutter-free, and your favorite cookware always within reach. Maximize your under-sink space with this 2-pack, 2-tier sliding organizer. Adjustable heights let you store everything from tall bottles to smaller containers, while the smooth pull-out design keeps items at your fingertips. Built with thick steel, strong suction cups, and adhesive films, it holds heavy loads without wobbling. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or closets, this organizer turns cluttered cabinets into neat, accessible storage with ease. Keep your wine glasses organized and within reach with this under-cabinet hanging rack. No drilling is required, just slide it over your shelf for instant storage. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it safely holds a variety of wine glass types while saving valuable cabinet space. Sleek and practical, this rack makes your kitchen or bar look tidy and elegant, giving your glasses a secure and stylish home. Say goodbye to freezer chaos with this 4-layer dumpling and cookie storage set. Each slim tray stacks neatly, saving space while keeping foods organized and visible. The built-in timer helps you track storage time, and the secure lid keeps items fresh. Perfect for dumplings, cookies, vegetables, or even prep-ahead snacks. These containers make freezing, transporting, and serving effortless, an ideal solution for busy kitchens and meal prep enthusiasts. Make snack time and pantry organization effortless with these 4-piece food bag clips. Each clip features a built-in pour spout for precise, spill-free dispensing of cereal, chips, or pet food. The flip-top lid seals bags airtight in a second, keeping foods fresh longer. Stackable and colorful, these clips not only save space, but also add a fun, practical upgrade to any kitchen. Drying dishes just got easier and more stylish with this 2-tier bamboo dish rack. Its foldable design saves counter space when not in use, while the large tiers hold plates, cups, and utensils neatly. Ventilation holes speed up drying, and the sturdy bamboo construction ensures durability without sacrificing a natural, elegant look. Perfect for small kitchens, it's a practical, eco-friendly solution for keeping your countertop organized. Keep your grains fresh and organized with this 5-liter rice dispenser. The borosilicate glass jar and bamboo base combine durability with eco-friendly style, while the airtight lid and one-touch air vent maintain optimal freshness. Its precision flow valve and measuring cup make portioning effortless, and the sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Perfect for rice, oats, quinoa, or bulk pantry staples. It's both practical and stylish. Upgrade your kitchen with this elegant set of olive oil dispenser bottles. The sleek glass design and precise spout let you pour just the right amount every time, keeping your cooking mess-free. Each set comes with reusable, waterproof labels to keep things organized. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or even sauces, these bottles add a modern, stylish touch to your countertop and make a thoughtful, practical gift. Bring style and organization to your kitchen with this bamboo food storage container set. The book-style design is not only sleek and anti-slip, but also lets you see what's inside at a glance. Easy slide lids make filling and dispensing a breeze, and the included labels keep everything clearly marked. Perfect for rice, cereal, nuts, or tea, these containers combine eco-friendly materials with smart, space-saving functionality. Declutter your kitchen or bathroom with these 360-degree rotating suction cup hooks. Each hook features 6 claws that can hold utensils, towels, keys, or even mugs, keeping everything within easy reach. The folding, detachable design lets you install or remove them without any drilling, and the strong suction keeps items secure. Flexible, practical, and mess-free, these hooks are a clever way to organize your space while adding a fun, functional touch. These stackable baskets can sit on your counter or mount on the wall to save space and keep everything organized. The mesh design lets air flow freely, helping fruit stay fresh longer, and the included banana hooks prevent bruising. Wood lids add extra storage room on top for jars or small items. They're easy to assemble, simple to clean, and perfect for a tidy kitchen. Tired of digging through your cabinets to find the right pot lid? These 6-tier lid organizers are a total game changer. You can stick them inside cabinets or mount them on walls, and their curved, non-slip slots keep lids from sliding around. Sturdy, rust-proof, and easy to install without drilling, they turn cluttered shelves into neat, accessible storage, perfect for small kitchens that need smart solutions. Keeping dry foods fresh just got easier with this 2-pack of airtight storage containers. Each 2.6-liter container features a spill-free pouring spout and a lid that doubles as a measuring cup, so scooping the right amount is effortless. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, they're perfect for rice, sugar, cereal, or even pet food. Smart, practical, and mess-free, ideal for keeping your kitchen organized and your ingredients fresh. Turn your sink into a smart drying station. This adjustable over-the-sink rack stretches to fit almost any sink, giving you extra space for dishes, fruits, and veggies. The stainless steel basket resists rust and keeps everything sturdy while water drains right into the sink. It's easy to move, collapse, or store, making cleanup simple and keeping your countertop clutter-free. Grabbing a cold drink shouldn't feel like a scavenger hunt. This fridge drink organizer automatically slides cans forward as you take one out. Everything stays lined up, visible, and easy to reach. Adjustable lanes let you fit different can and bottle sizes without jamming. You open the fridge, grab a drink, and the next one is already waiting. Your spice collection deserves a front row seat. This revolving countertop spice rack spins smoothly so you can grab the right flavor in seconds. It comes loaded with neatly labeled glass jars, so everything is ready from day one. The rotating base keeps cooking fast and frustration-free. Just turn, pick, and season like a pro without digging through cabinets. Your produce doesn't belong hidden in dark corners. This rotating storage rack keeps fruits and veggies visible, fresh, and easy to reach. Each basket spins smoothly, so you grab what you need without shifting everything around. Rolling wheels let you move it wherever prep happens. Use it in the kitchen or beyond, and turn everyday storage into something smart and effortless. Your sink space can work harder than you think. This over-the-sink drying rack turns empty air into organized storage for dishes, glasses, and utensils. The two-tier design keeps everything separated while water drains straight into the sink. Adjustable sides help it fit comfortably over most sinks without crowding your counter. You wash, place, and walk away to a cleaner, clutter-free kitchen. Mess has a way of multiplying when you're not looking. This three-tier stackable storage system gives everything a clear, simple home. Each bin folds open in seconds and stacks securely to save floor and shelf space. The translucent front lets you see what's inside without opening anything. Use it in a bedroom, office, or living space, and finally keep clutter under control. That dead cabinet space above your counter finally has a purpose. This pull-down spice storage system brings your spices down and forward in one smooth motion. 6 shelves keep everything visible, organized, and easy to reach. No digging, no step stools, no forgotten jars hiding in the back. You get quick access, cleaner cabinets, and a smarter kitchen setup that just makes sense. Eggs rolling around your fridge is a problem you don't need. This clever rolling egg holder feeds eggs forward automatically as you take one out. 3 stacked tiers keep everything neat while saving shelf space. The clear design lets you see when you're running low at a glance. Just grab an egg and the next one gently rolls into place. Spice chaos doesn't stand a chance against this. This Ferris wheel-style spice rack spins smoothly, letting you find exactly what you need with a simple turn. 18 clear glass jars keep everything visible, organized, and ready to shake or pour. The rotating base stays steady while you grab spices with one hand. It even includes labels and a funnel, so setting it up feels easy, neat, and oddly satisfying. Digging through noisy cabinets ends right here. This pull-out hanging rack turns wasted space into smart storage for pots, pans, and more. You get 10 adjustable hooks that slide out smoothly, so everything stays visible and easy to grab. The sturdy metal frame handles heavy loads without bending or wobbling. Install it in a kitchen cabinet, closet, or utility space, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.